What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. Now, what are we doing today? We out here at the Honda. You know, I've been washing it. Got some bad news for some of y'all. I've been washing the Honda. It's all cleaned up. So if I've been washing it, it's got to be a reason for me washing it. And the reason is I've decided to sell the Civic. I've decided to sell it. As fun as it is, I think I'm going to get rid of it. It's breaking too much, and I done spent too much money on that. So we need to recoup some money on that, because I ain't never said I had all the coins. I ain't never said it. I just make shit work. I make it work. Anyway, so we need to recoup the Honda. I just started it up. It still runs like a banshee. But as you know, the transmission is broke, so there's not really too much I can do as far as driving it. And at this point, to be honest with you, with the abuse that I give it, it's just gonna end up breaking again. At some point, you gotta realize you gotta take your losses. You gotta take the L's. So I'm just taking my L. But I can't really say it was an L because it was so much fun driving it. It was tons of fun driving it. And maybe in another life, the fuck? Maybe in another life I would keep it, but we gonna sell it for now. Transmission broke. The head always had like a little leak in it because I didn't machine it when I put it back on there. But all of that stuff is gonna be disclosed in the ad. And I'm thinking I may even just sell this thing for like $2,500. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to make no profit on it. I just kind of want to get rid of it from sitting here, to tell you the truth. But if I sell it for $2,500, you know, I ain't taking no offers. The ECU alone, I don't know if you can see that, but the ECU alone in this thing is $900. I've had this car a little over a year. That's like a refurbished, resoldered ECU with a chip and an emulator board attached to it. So I got like $900 in that ECU. That's like half the price of the car. So as you can see, there's good reason for me not going down on the price. I probably should say $3,000 and then drop down. You know how you do, negotiate, make somebody think they're getting a deal. Because if you say $2,500, guess what? They're gonna offer $2,000. That's a no-go, that's a no-go. Plus this car, man, it's got top-notch suspension. It's got coilovers all the way around, sway bar in the front, control arms in the back. I mean, shit. If you really think about the stuff that's on it, it's easily worth $2,500 just in parts alone. So we're gonna sell it and we're gonna focus on the vet a little bit more. I got so much money tied up in it now, it just makes no sense to try to maintain and keep fixing one, because eventually that one's gonna start breaking. I'm gonna need new tires. It just don't make no sense for me to try to keep both. So we're getting rid of that one. So if you're interested, you're looking for a Honda project car, you already know what this one would do. Turbo. It's got to be making at least 300. All I know is fun and it's fast. That's why I hate to get rid of it. I mean, I could fix the transmission for about $900. Just buy a new one, put it in there, then take the one out and have a spare and fix it. That would be the ideal solution. But like I said, I need to recoup some money on that supercharger. Pay myself back. You know, you got to pay yourself back. That's the only way to do it. Pay yourself back. You never get in the hole if you are diligent enough to pay yourself back. Anyway, that's all I want to say in this video. I didn't make a video when I got rid of the Mustang, and I probably should have, because people are still asking to this day what happened to the Mustang. So I guess I am making this video to let everybody know what my plans are with it. And 9 times out of 10, I'll probably make another one when it's gone. Anyway, this your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know why this mic, I hate this mic. It's pulling my shirt down.